In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. To get started, let's first navigate to LinkedIn's website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in linkedin.com into the address bar. As soon as you reach the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You have a couple of options here. You can sign in using your Google account, your Microsoft account, or alternatively, your email address and password. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, make sure your phone is nearby, as you might need to enter a verification code that will be sent directly to your number. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on LinkedIn's main page. Here, direct your attention to the top right corner of the menu bar, where you'll spot a Me icon. This is represented by your profile picture. Go ahead and click on this icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select the View Profile option to proceed. On your profile page, there are several sections that showcase your professional details. Now, let's focus our attention on the Introduction section. Within this section, there's a label for Contact Info, which is what we need to click on. Doing so will bring up a pop-up window with all your contact information, along with a small edit icon sitting next to it. Click on this edit icon to continue. In this editable space, you will find a section dedicated to your birthday. This is where you can make the necessary adjustments to control who gets to see this information. Look closely at the visibility settings, which are represented by an icon. By clicking on this icon, you'll be provided with several options regarding who can view your information. If your goal is to keep your birthday private, you'll want to select the Only You option. Before moving on, it's absolutely essential to save these changes. There's a Save button located at the bottom of the window, so be sure to click it to confirm everything. This step is crucial because forgetting to save your settings means your birthday could remain visible to others on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn settings to keep your birthday out of the public eye, which adds an extra layer of privacy to your profile. It's always a wise decision to regularly check your visibility settings, not just on LinkedIn but on any platform. Interfaces are updated frequently, and staying familiar with these privacy options helps you ensure that your professional profile displays exactly what you want it to. By managing the information you share, you are taking control of your online presence and maintaining the privacy you desire.